We have seen many videos on YouTube about 2 to 3 or even 4 ingredients that are needed for any type of heart problem. But today we will only need one ingredient to solve all your heart problems. The ingredient that you are waiting to find out is apple cider vinegar. Yes, that's correct. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been used for many remedies and diseases for many years. The best thing about apple cider vinegar is that it contains acetic acid, which is the reason for lowering cholesterol levels and helps with weight loss and heart problems. According to a study, nearly 1 in every American suffers from high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Blood pressure. The ingredient acetic acid helps to lower blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, then you are at risk of diabetes, strokes, and heart attacks. Cholesterol. According to a study, consuming only 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar 2 times per day could help lowering cholesterol levels. Also, you need to make a note that you should not consume more than 30 milliliters, which could cause side effects. Toxins. Did you know that ACV improves the blood flow around the heart, preventing arterial narrowing? If you have high blood pressure, it can cause blood clots in the body. That's why it is very important to consume ACV to help with blood clots. Obesity. We all know that people that are overweight always looking for ways to lose the extra pounds. If you lose about 5 to 10 pounds, this will dramatically help with blood pressure. If you consumed about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar per day, for about 12 weeks it could help you lose about 1.2 kilograms on average. Atherosclerosis. The bad LDL, cholesterol when it is combined with oxygen, deposits plaque in the arteries, which then causes atherosclerosis and heart disease. Dilute ACV if you use it regularly, and don't forget to use a straw when drinking. Gargle after consuming ACV as it will help to protect against acid erosion of tooth enamel. Try to monitor the ups and downs of your blood pressure daily.